This is Michael with the Vision Experience, and in this video we're going to talk about our monitors and their quad processing capabilities and our new Pro HD 3D workstation. Now, one of the great features about our monitor system is that it is connected completely independent of the way we send the images to the projector, allowing you to view back and forth all of the different monitor options without affecting the projector, allowing you to queue up several devices at once and gives you all those options and capabilities. Now, as you can see, we've got two monitors here, and they both have their own independent processors. And you can also see on the monitors here, there's connections here with a front and rear button. If you wanted to plug in a device and see it in the monitor really quickly, just switch to front, plug in your device, and you'll see it in the monitor. When you're done, go back to the rear, and then that activates our monitor switcher that we'll be talking about in just a moment. Now, on the left monitor here that we'll start, you can see that we've pre-wired 4 inputs. From the outside devices, we've got our composite video 1, composite video 2, and then we've got S video 1. The screen is blue because I don't have anything connected there at the moment. And then we have our S video 2. So those are the 4 inputs that are pre-wired into this monitor here, and that's how you see them. On the right monitor here, you've got Blu-ray 1, and then the next button there is Blu-ray 2, and then you have Component 1 and Component 2. Now the components are going to be black and white in the monitor, and we'll talk about that in another video, but that's simply the way that is connected, and that will always be that way. Now these quads have a couple other really cool features. On these 2 quad processors here, the first button here, if you select that, that will show you all 4 images in the monitor at the same time. Now, being able to see all 4 images on the monitor means you could see up to 8 different images at the same time, queue up several devices at the same time, or whatever you want. And if you want to see them individually, just go back here and select the ones that we've got labeled here, 1, 2, 3, 4, that way. You can also, instead of seeing 4 up, if you hit this mode, you can see 2 pictures in a picture, 1 picture in a picture, and side by side. And then you just go back to the images here to see it all in one screen. And then the far right button is a freeze button, if you ever wanted just to freeze something you're doing. Now, all these buttons are done by simply pushing these buttons quickly. If you hold down these buttons, that activates other features and functions that you can read about in the manual if you want to get into that. But the features I just expressed are what you're going to use 99% of the time. So having independent monitor switching is a very exciting and wonderful feature of our Pro HD 3D audio video workstation.